Hey Freddie, I sent you some pictures. I've just sent you a couple of a sort of like a video to tell you what everything is. So these here are the remote control handsets for each of the bedrooms. There's three of them there. This is the model number TRC 1080 handset with a charging base. They sit in the base, so you can pick them up whenever they're ready, good to charge. Very easy, no wire to plug in. They're already good to go to sit in the cradle. This big box here is the Matrix unit, the HD Pro, which allows you to distribute the multi-room video in HD 4K ultra high definition to any of the TVs in any of the rooms, including the bathroom, etc. That's that item there. Then moving down here is the DMS 1200. That's the multi-room amplifier that connects all the speakers in the rooms, the bathrooms, and everything. This connects up to that one there. This unit, it's quite a big box, sits in the rack. This is the touchscreen desktop controller. This is for the lounge. This unit is like the one in the video that I showed you. So it's a wireless docking station, so there's no cables. You just sit it in there and it charges. You can take it out and use it, etc. These are the keypads for each of the rooms. So you've got one for bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and then you've got the kitchen. So that's the kitchen. So you've got the kitchen, bedroom 3, bedroom 2, bedroom 1, the master bedroom. That's a general's room. Then here you've got 2 control units. That's what controls the TVs in the bedroom, as in this unit sits behind the TV and the wires connect to it, and it sends the information to the TV and to the TV lift for it to go up and down. So there's 2 of those. And in the bedroom 3, the small room, it doesn't need that because there's no TV lift. So it has this one, called a base station, that controls the TV. All the keypads are powered by this device, mount filtering switch. It powers the keypads. Also, it separates the audio and control, so your internet doesn't get slowed down. So that's the need for that. So that's all the items. What's left to come tomorrow is the network switch and a couple of other panels and some leads. I had to get some new leads, etc. Inside there. So yeah, so that's everything. That's here. A couple of bits tomorrow, and we'll make a start tomorrow. Thank you, Freddie. Bye-bye.